Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with Ascension. In this video I want to talk about your gene pool, about your body, what it needs to fix itself, yeah, how you need to think, what you need to know about yourself, about your genes, and I'm gonna tell you how to fix, yeah, your gene pool, because if you notice your family is getting weaker, they are getting a lot sick, you are getting maybe a lot sick, yeah, maybe you have problems with your bones or with your digestion or with your immune system, you're noticing that you're weak, yeah, you have to know that you can do something about it, yeah, so don't blame it on your genes, don't blame it on God, don't blame it on no one, yeah, it's your responsibility to take care of your own health, of your own body, of your gene, of your genetic material, because if you are eating a lot of substances, yeah, which are harmful, yeah, acids, yeah, Coca-Cola, sugars, you drink beer, you smoke, you drink coffee, you eat meat, you eat cheese, yeah, that's a lot of acid. And if you eat a lot of materials which are acidic, you will have problems with your stomach, you will have problems with your nervous system, with your bones, because acidic substances decompose you, you know, so the substances that you eat are in you, yeah, maybe some people you notice they're having hair loss, they're having teeth loss, their bone is losing density. So as soon as you have something to do, or you when you notice losing something about you, yeah, you can see or notice, or you have to know that you are going downwards in health, in what it means genetic strength, because you have to know that our ancestors, yeah, your grandma's grandmother lived in the woods somewhere, in nature, let's say, and they eat what was around them, okay, from berries to flowers to stinging nettles to corn to mushrooms. So they eat what was around where they were living, and that's what you are missing, because now, yeah, your gene pool was used to having mushrooms, yeah, berries and teas and corn and everything what's around you, yeah, when you see green, everything what's green around you, yeah, you can eat that. Yarrow, yarrow. Yes, there are a lot of plants which are growing around you. The best would be, I cannot say yarrow, yeah, or I cannot say stinging nettle, because if you're from Africa, you don't have yarrow. But what you have to know is the following: buy a book with the local plants, and then you know which plant you can eat and use in salads, in teas. It looks, when you find um, plants which have flowers, yeah, and you prepare a food, just put those flowers on your food. Okay, let's say you live in Africa, let's say, right, or you live in China. You can make your dishes, your Chinese African dish, yeah, sprinkle it with some flowers, and you can make a very beautiful meal. All right, and in those flowers, in those plants, yeah, your in those plants are the codes, the materials, yeah, what your gene pool needs to fix itself. My teacher was always saying that your body, your genetic material, needs genetic diversity in what it consumes. So you need a lot of different kind of plants and foods in order to be healthy. Because if you have something missing, like iron, yeah, if you don't have enough iron in your blood or in your food what you're eating, then you can feel like you don't get enough air, because there is not the molecule, the iron molecule bonds the oxygen molecule and takes it to the cell. If you have low iron in your body, yeah, then you have low oxygen in your body. So you need a lot of iron, you need a lot of magnesium, you need a lot of vitamin C. But if you are eating from a supermarket, you eat M&Ms and Coca-Cola and some biscuits, which are everything is dead. Yeah, you need to eat. When I was learning this, my teacher was saying that we need to eat a cooked meal. Yeah, we should have a cooked meal, but the rest of the day we should have apples and bananas and something fresh which has charge, because you need to eat first of all for your energetic body. Yeah, if you are low on energy, yeah, that means that you don't have enough charge, you don't have enough electricity. And this charge, this life force, this electricity, you can get from air, from the sun, from spring water, and from everything what is living, like plants, apples. Yeah, if you take a voltmeter and you put it into an apple, it will show a charge 0.7 volts. And that's the charge that you're gonna take to yourself. Electricity, that's the food of your soul. Next time when you eat an apple and you bite in it, you will see or notice here that you will feel a tingle. That tingle is the charge that you pick up and which is added to your soul force. So first of all, you have to know that you need to eat for your soul force. And second thing, when you eat for your body is built out of different materials, which are from the earth. So when you eat, you need to eat quality, not quantity. Because if you want to eat quantity, you go to the supermarket and you buy everything what's cheap. It's very tasteful because it's full of sugar and it's full of good tasting powders. But nothing what your body needs. And if you eat a lot of sugars and tasting powders, yeah, which is a lot of acid, your body will feel the repercussion, because there are laws in the universe, yeah, like law of the money. If you give, you will get, yeah, if you give charge, you will get charge. If you give 10% from your income, always keep the money flowing. So there are laws, and the laws of chemics, yeah, says that acid decomposes your physical body. So if you eat a lot of acidic materials, your body will decompose. It will get weaker. And your immune system will get weaker, your heart will get weaker, your bones will get weaker, your nervous system will get weaker. Something on you will get weaker. The hair of man is falling because they are not taking care, yeah, of themselves, and the body, the substances, the water in their body is acidic, and acid is always eating a little bit away from somewhere. Depends what your weakness is, and as soon as your body has a weakness somewhere, it will show up quickly when you eat acidic stuff. All right, so leave acidic substances to the side. And if you take a look what's growing around you, yeah, flowers, mushrooms, green stuff, plants, yeah, fruits, vegetables, if you eat everything what's growing around you, you have to know that your grandmother's grandma was eating, yeah, from what was growing around her. And that's the genetic codes, materials that you need to be healthy. Yeah, our ancestors, they were not sick. They had not the problems that we have. They were strong. They built up these cities and this civilization. You want to tell me that they were weak people? They were strong. They were very, very strong people. But because they were healthy. But health comes with doing something for your health. Because if your family's health, your genetic pool, yeah, your genetic material is declining because of acids, wrong thinking, bad behavior, so everything what you do in a wrong direction will affect you and how you are as a being. Yeah, because if you're angry, you will eat substances which are on that level. And in this case, I'll tell you something, raise your vibration. Yeah, eat a lot of fresh foods, and that will raise your vibration. Let everything go what's not healthy, and you will see how you will feel better. And market recommendation is to find someone who is doing the same thing. If you are a girl or a man, yeah, if you find someone who is working on themselves, with those persons you can bond, make a deep connection, yeah, because if you are, of both of you are working on yourself to grow up, to stand upright, yeah, as a human being you need to be strong. So for when you are two, yeah, if you are two, a couple, yeah, man and woman, who is coming from down up, yeah, you both can lean on each other, and that's gonna create a real hard bonding. Don't bond, if you're a woman, don't bond with men who are giving you orgasms, because you might bond with somebody who is bad or wrong for you, yeah, because you can, somebody can give you orgasms, but as a human being or as a soul harms you and spits on you and yells at you and does horrible things to you, yeah, you should not take that, although you had a sexual bonding. Yeah, leave that to the side. You will bound with someone who is growing, who is learning, who is ascending, yeah. And if you find someone like that, I wish you good luck, yeah, and all the best. And if you find someone like that, then it's easy, yeah, that both of you work together. That's the beauty in being a man and a woman, when they both work together, yeah, in the same direction. That's what's my recommendation for you. So I wish you all the best and take care.